Welcome to our Scholar channel. Today we learn and write bird's name. Let's start. S P A R R O W Sparrow. P I G E O N Pigeon. C R O W Crow. C O C K Cock. E A G L E E-A-G-L-E Eagle. S W A N S-W-A-N Swan. P-A-R-R-O-T P-A-R-R-O-T Parrot. D-U-C-K D-U-C-K Duck. P-E-A-C-O-C-K Peacock. C-U-C-K-O-O C-U-C-K-O-O Cuckoo. S-T-O-R-K Stork. O-W-L O-W-L Owl. O-S-T-R-I-C-H Ostrich. H-E-N H-E-N Hen. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R Kingfisher. B-U-L-B-U-L Bulbul. K-I-T-E K-I-T-E Kite. V-U-L-T-U-R-E V-U-L-T-U-R-E Vulture. M-Y-N-A-H Myna. R. Woodpecker. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.